Hi, this is Angela with Wild Violet Arts. I wanted to show you a quick little trick if you like 3D flowers as much as I do. So as you can see from this sweet little card, I was able to get the flowers to really pop up, and this is working with Forever or Field of Flower stamp set. And here's another card that I made, and as you can see, the flowers are all popped up. They just kind of curl up really sweetly in order to make that 3D effect. So I'm using the Field of Flowers punch, and I can show you that when you line up the punch, you're going to get the little flowers. And then I don't know about you, but I got the clear block storage caddy, and I got these foam pieces from inside it. I've used them as kind of a craft punch, or I put my needles or any of my tools that I need to have handy close by. I'm also using the Take Your Pick tool, and this cool tool has all these different options. These are two hand embossing tools that come with it, and what I do is I put the flower on this foam, and then I just kind of, depending on the size of the flower, I just kind of curl it in the middle, and as you can see, the blossom just kind of picks up. For the tinier flowers, I'll just punch or just push down in the middle and pick it up, and then you've got these sweet little flowers. If you're wanting it to, the bigger one to curl up a little bit more, you actually can just do the same thing, and it will just, however you want to do it, it works out really well. Both ends of this tool will work. Same thing. Just pick it up, and the little flower is nice and curved, so that when you're stacking them on your card, as you can see, I was just able to get, it almost looks like a fuchsia colored hydrangea, just because I was able to get the flowers to just pop up, and I gave it a little bit, stacked them a little bit just for that 3D look. You can also stamp them first if you want to give them a little bit more color. And this is where the Field of Flowers is really sweet, how it lines up really nicely in the punch. Oops, went the wrong way. So you can see that the little flowers line up. So it makes it really easy to punch out. This one I didn't get quite close enough to the edge, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this off. Just kind of line it up where you want it. And so that way you get a little bit more of a 3D look. And again, they just curl up so nicely. And then you can add them to your card as an embellishment, or you can stack them to make other kinds of flowers. Just a really fun process. Thought you'd enjoy it. Again, my name is Angela with Wild Violet's Art. Thanks for watching.